We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Mathematical Reasoning. The problem is on truth values of given two compound statements. This question has appeared in the Joint Entrance Examination Main held on 28th June 2022 in the first shift. The given question is, let P, Q, R be three logical statements. Consider the compound statements. The first one, S1, is given by, in brackets, negation of P, RQ, or in brackets, negation of P, RR, and the second compound statement is S2 given by P implies, in brackets, Q or R. Then which of the following is not true? Which of the following is not true? We are given four options. Option A, if S2 is true, then S1 is true. Option B, if S2 is false, then S1 is false. Option C, if S2 is false, then S1 is true. Option D, if S1 is false, then S2 is false. We are given P, Q, R are three logical statements, and we are given two compound statements given by S1 and S2. And the question that is asked is, which of the following is not true? We are given four options. One of them is not true, and we have to find out that statement which is not true from the following four options. We now discuss the solution of the problem. We have three logical statements, P, Q, R, and we are given two compound statements, S1 and S2. First, we consider S1 given by, in brackets, negation of P, R, Q, or, in brackets, negation of P, R, R. We write down equivalent statements by using the properties of Boolean algebra. We use the distributive law and we get an equivalent compound statement, that is negation of P or, in brackets, Q or R. This amounts to almost taking negation of P as common, but this is the distributive law. Then we go for the next compound statement, S2. P implies Q or R, and we have studied an equivalent statement for this in our class. That is, P implies Q is equivalent to negation of P or Q. So in our case, it is equivalent to negation of P or, in brackets, Q or R. Notice that these two equivalent statements are one and the same. That means S1 and S2 are identically equal, that is to say, they are equivalent. So when they are equivalent or identically equal, if S1 is true, S2 is also true. Likewise, therefore, both the compound statements S1 and S2 will have the same truth values. Truth values are true or false. Let's look at our options. Option A says if S2 is true, S1 is also true because they are equivalent, they are identically equal. And B, A, B, D, they have the same truth values. Therefore, they are true. But we have to identify that statement which is not true. In option C, it is given if S2 is false, then S1 is true. This is a false statement. It is not true. A, B, D are true statements. So the options A, B and D are true because they have the same truth values. And the option 3, option 6, option C is not true because S1 and S2 have opposite truth values. Therefore, the answer to this question is option C. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem from the section Mathematical Reasoning on the truth values of two given compound statements. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem and I wish you all the best. Thank you.